Hey everyone, so in today's video we're going to go over how to divide fractions by whole numbers. Now, for the first example, let's say we have 1/2 divided by 3. Now first let's convert the whole thing to a fraction. So this is the same as 1/2 divided by 3/1. Now, as we learned in the previous video, in order to divide fractions, we simply have to multiply by the reciprocal. So this is equal to 1/2 times 1/3, which is equal to 1/6. Let's try another example. Let's say we have 3/4 divided by 2. Now feel free to pause the video and try this on your own. Not 3, 2. But 3/4 divided by 2 is equal to 3/4 divided by 2/1, which is also equal to 3/4 times 1/2. And your answer is going to be equal to 3/8. Now I'll give you 3 examples and you try all 3 on your own with the video paused. The examples will be 5/6 divided by 5. We can go 2/5 divided by 4. And then we can do 7/8 divided by 2. Now pause the video and try them on your own. But when you come back, you'll see that the answers for these are 5/6 times 1/5, which is equal to 5/30, which is equal to 1/6. 2/5 times 1/4, which is equal to 2/20, which is equal to 1/10. And then 7/8 times 1/2, which is equal to 7/16. Now let's try a couple different types of examples. Let's say we have 3 2/3. Just clean that up. 3 2/3 divided by 4. How do we get this answer? So first we have to convert this to an improper fraction. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So we'll get 11/3 divided by 4, which is the same thing as 11/3 times 1/4. And our answer is going to be 11/12. Let's try another example. Say we have 5 2/5 divided by, say 3. Now pause the video and try it on your own. But when you come back, you'll see that first we convert this to an improper fraction. So it'll be 27/5. 5 times 5 plus 2. And then we'll multiply this by the reciprocal, so 1/3. And we're left with 27/15. And that's our final answer. Thank you.